This video is gonna be a very quick one. Guys, this is the season you need to make money. This is the season you need to make money, and I want to plug you. For those of you that want to go into ladies handbags, duffel bags, anything that has to do with bags, unisex backpack, please, whatever you do, make sure you don't snooze this season. Now, you guys know I import bags. I sell to wholesalers, to retailers, end users, drop shippers, and guess what? We have a very big sales coming up, our Omble Xmas sales. If you know you want to make money, you are a drop shipper, you resell bags, what you need to do right now is click the link you see down. You will see a link down in the description of this video. Go join Telegram. I have started posting already. We have in bulk. During this sales, you're going to get bags up to 30% discount and free gifts on every order that you make during this season. You're going to get free gift for it and 30% discount. I mean, if you're a reseller, wherever at all you are in Nigeria, in Ghana, we ship to Ghana as well. Note that wherever at all you are, we're gonna ship to you. We sell to you at the most affordable prices, and please, we don't compromise on quality. So if you know that you're not selling or you don't like quality, I mean, this might not be for you. Or if you know that you love quality, I mean, you are in for quality, then we got you covered. You can follow us on Instagram at Oni's Collection, but do well to join Telegram, because that is where we post pictures and even videos that our drop shippers can repost and use for their marketing. I mean, cash out the season. I am always preaching, make money, make money, make money. If you've not gotten anything from Oni this year, I mean, get this straight. You can make money this season reselling quality handbags. We have a lot. Our goods have been coming in throughout this week, and the quality we are seeing, I said, no, I'm not just gonna keep quiet. My YouTube family are also gonna benefit from this. Free gifts. See, have you ever seen somebody selling during this season and gifting you footwears? We're gonna do that. So this is me plugging you to the best in the game when it comes to handbags. All you need to do is follow our business page at Oni's Collection. We also have a website, we have a walk-in store, and please don't forget to use the link down in the description to join our Telegram channel. That's all I'm here to tell you. Nothing much, no waste of time. How you all doing? Compliment of the season, guys. As always, I love you. Thank you for sticking with me on this journey. Thank you for always your comments. See, I might not be able to reply every single comment, but note that I see them and I'm grateful for the love. I love you all. I do. Thank you.